back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job leads video for you. In today's video, I have 5 different companies, 5 different jobs that are either data entry or some kind of a data support type jobs. Most of these are not going to require any kind of college degree. I think only one does. And of course, the links to all the pages I share, including the Glassdoor pages, are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I think I am going to start trying to do these longer non-phone or data entry type work from home job lead videos as a weekly series on this channel. But of course, if you are new to this channel, go to my main channel page and check out my most recent videos. I've done quite a few of these videos in the last week, and a lot of those jobs and positions are still open at the moment. And if you haven't seen the one I just posted this morning already, Big Giant Retail Store Journeys is hiring someone to respond to emails. So if you haven't seen that video and that job lead yet, go check that out after this video. But jumping right on in, first up we have the company Intellectual Ventures. Now, Intellectual Ventures is a parent company that owns multiple smaller brands and smaller companies, but they have 191 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a data entry specialist. This is part-time, and this is going to be a contract position. So they are looking to hire someone for their Modern Cuisinist website and Modern Cuisinist smaller company. They're looking for somebody to join their team to help better understand food and cooking. So in addition to primary research, they're very interested in deeply analyzing recipes from all around the world. So you're basically going to be taking recipes and converting recipes from books into an appropriate file type and store the recipes on their internal server. So you're taking them from book form into electronic form. The proprietary data extraction tool is going to help you to convert the information on each page to data points to be stored and then interpreted. They're looking for somebody to work 20 to 40 hours per week. And it does say you don't have to be local to the Seattle area. That's where they are based, but they are only looking for somebody who is 18 years or older, someone who can be very meticulously focused, comfortable with repetitive tasks, and has great attention to detail. Next up, we have a California Fair Plan. They are an insurance company. They only have 6 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, I always tell you, please do your own research on any of these companies before giving them your personal information. But with that being said, out of the 6 people that have reviewed them, they do come very highly rated as an employer with a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. They have multiple remote job openings. The data entry one is the one we're interested in. Now, please note that when you come to their webpage from the link down in the YouTube description box, it's going to look like this. If you scroll down, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8th one down, it'll say Data Entry Clerk Remote. If you click that, it will open up this box, but they're looking for basically somebody to screen incoming new business applications and endorsement requests to determine eligibility and approve or decline those requests using their predetermined screening parameters or checklist. So they're basically looking for somebody to enter or decline applications based on the screening parameters, someone who completes basic data entry of the new business owner's applications and refers them to the underwriting to determine eligibility. Of course, you will review any correspondence submitted with the quotation of payment and assign that an effective date for the policy. You'll be processing evidence of insurance requests for both new business and endorsements. So just data entry and processing these forms, marking them in the system as approved or not approved. They're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma, but no college degree is needed. Just 1 to 2 years of data entry experience, great typing skills, someone who can review and analyze information, so good judgment skills, and someone who can pay attention to details. Real quickly, I just want to ask that you enjoy job leads like this. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like button, and share with all your friends and family. We all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But moving right along, we have the company Gridium. Now, I could not find a lot on this company. Unfortunately, they only have 2 reviews on Glassdoor, and they don't have a lot of company logos or information on their Glassdoor page. But those 2 people thought very highly of them and rated them a 5.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a data analyst, and this is marked as a remote position. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for entering and auditing customer data, primarily utility bills and the usage data. So they're looking for somebody to provision new accounts. You'll collect all necessary information from the PDF bills from their utility companies or utility websites and prepare a new account file. You'll assist with stale data, checking the utility websites and making sure that they have the most recent data possible and everything is up to date. You'll audit these utility bills, reviewing bills to ensure that the billing information matches the PDF and the number of other audits. You'll upload the usage and bill information into the system. Now, again, this one is for the United States only. It says you have to live in and have the legal right to work in the United States, but they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who can be detail-oriented, a fast starter, someone who is competent in using Microsoft Excel, prior experience in data entry. Now, they do want their employees to be vaccinated by COVID, so that is going to be something that you have to make that personal decision on. I know a lot of people ask why places would require you to be vaccinated when you're working from home, and I know the company that I work for, it's just a company-wide policy. They don't treat their people who work in-house differently from their people who work from home. They have one great team. Everyone is the same, treated the same no matter where your work location is. And so it is a company-wide policy just to cover their bases. A lot of companies go by that. I'm not sure if you want to know exactly why the company chooses to do that. You would have to ask them specifically. But speaking of COVID vaccines, a lot of healthcare companies are going to require them just because they are healthcare companies. But next up, we do have Apria Healthcare. Now, they are a well-known healthcare company with 1,400 reviews on Glassdoor. They come rated at a 3.0 out of 5 stars, and they're hiring a data support analyst. Now, this position pays anywhere from $18.51 an hour all the way up to $26.35 an hour. But they're looking for somebody to review source documents, collect and analyze complex information in preparation for data configuration. You'll design and generate related management reports. You'll audit those reports, making sure they are accurate and consistent with complete data. You'll respond to field inquiries related to the data entered into the database, and you'll analyze and update cash recoups and refunds in the computer systems, assisting in creating specific training materials for those computer system users. Now, they do want a 4-year college degree or equivalent experience. So if you have a lot of experience, they will take that over a degree. They want somebody who has at least 1 year of experience. They're looking for somebody who can work a computer well, be action-oriented, a self-starter, and a great communication skills. All right, and last but not least, we have the company EverCommerce. Now, EverCommerce has 141 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor. Their employee satisfaction rating is a 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data specialist. Now, this does say it can be remote in the United States or in Canada. They're looking for somebody to be responsible for processing, cleansing, and verifying the integrity of the data that they use for analysis of portfolio for different companies. So you're going to process and cleanse data, making sure it's accurate, complete, and integrity for analysis purposes. You'll thoroughly verify the integrity of the data by conducting checks, validations, and audits on it, making sure that everything aligns with their standard policies and procedures. You'll collaborate with the data and analytics team to provide accurate and reliable data, making sure that all reports that are generated have great visualizations by utilizing the processed data. And you'll just be handling all over data-related responsibilities for the company. Now, because there is some analytics and reporting involved in this one, they They are requiring a bachelor degree in business, finance, computer, data science, or other related field. It says or equivalent experience. So if you do have a lot of skills, they might take that over the bachelor degree, but it looks like a degree is going to be required for this one because they also want 1 to 3 years of post-undergraduate relevant work experience, someone who knows how to work Microsoft Excel, someone who's experienced with SQL and data visualization tools, and someone who has great written and verbal communication skills. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. This position does pay anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $55,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoy non-phone job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. Also, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. If you have anything specific that you're looking for, feel free to leave that in the comments down below as well. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.